Mauritius. This blissful experience is yours. Port Louis is the bustling capital city of Mauritius that lets you admire its diversity at the start of your journey. The beaches have its own adventures for you, and it's time to see it all. Nature's beauty shines bright on your hiking adventure, just like the Trois Mamelles mountains. Like beaches and fancy tourist spots, the Rochester Falls makes a majestic appearance with some of the other beautiful waterfalls. This small town is your getaway for a piece of all kinds of adventures, from shopping to historic spots. Visit Quatre Bornes. The Chamarel 7-colored Earth Geopark is the magical touch to your holiday. Everyone loves it here. Try deep-sea fishing or explore uninhabited islands at the Cap Malheureux. Let your curiosity run wild. Admire the picturesque sights and see what Le Morne Brabant has in store for you. The perfect blend of nature's adventures and its wildlife are all set to stun you. Make your holiday extra memorable with the luxury resorts available to choose from. Mauritius awaits to make you amazed. Thanks for watching Travel Center. Subscribe to see more videos from all around the world.